Hello, this is James from Woodland Classroom here. I love the idea of going out and foraging for wild foods, and recently we were lucky to spend a whole day on a spring foraging course with Dave Watson from Woodland Survival Crafts. Now he's a renowned bushcraft teacher based in Derbyshire with years of experience, and he took us on a tour of his woodlands showing lots of wild greens which are edible and you could use for your own cooking. And we wanted to share some of his expertise with you now as we captured some of the course on camera. We hope you enjoy.
Okay, so what we've got here is a member of the cabbage family, and this one's got a whole arrangement of names. It's hedge garlic, garlic mustard, or what it's often known by is Jack by the hedge. And lovely little cabbage family plant. When it's in flower, be a little white flower with 4 petals in a sort of form of a cross, hence the family of crucifers, which this is part of. But this is a lovely salad plant, and you get a bit of a inkling from just bruising it and sniffing it.
Yeah, I can get the garlic.
Just a hint of garlic. It is not the wild garlic. It is a member of the cabbage family, but it's got a subtle garlic flavour. A little bit of an aftertaste that's probably, not to everyone's taste. Small amount of sort of bitterness to it, but that's a good bitterness. It's good for the digestion. And mixed in with other salad vegetables, salad foods, this is really nice.
Great.
Good tucker, as they say.
Thanks, Dave.
See the colour tones here. The fresh growth is what we go for. And just for general reference, obviously we can get the scissors out, get the gloves on, or you can just be firm pinch.
I was going
to say that.
Okay. No, I haven't got stung. If I had got stung, I still may not notice it, because if I pinch it with my fingertips, they're much thicker skin here. So you might actually be getting stung, but you don't really feel it. Okay. But this is where the real flavours and the health is, in this fresh growth. Okay. This has got a lightly boiled up or put by heat, so you can, as they get bigger, droop. Classic one for kids is just to droop it over the flames, and it will just crisp up. It will kill all the hairs. They will disintegrate, so there's no formic acid that's going to go into you, and it's sort of quite pleasant flavour. I just boil it up. Normally boil it up when I'm working with children with a bit of mint. So yeah, it's got more nutrients and vitamins than almost any green plant on the planet. It beats spinach, for instance.
Iron, it's really
good.
Really strong in iron. So if you've got anemia, it's excellent for that, isn't it?
It is very good. It's a good all-rounder. And of course, as it gets older, we'll use it for the fibres for rope making. It's really good for that. It's a good all-round plant.
Thanks very much for watching. For more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel or check out our website at woodlandclassroom.com. Right, I'm off to find some mushrooms.